YouTube, what it is, man? Y'all already know who I am. Man Grind Hard, checking in again with another video. Look, I know I hadn't really took the time to like really thank y'all for all the support I've been getting on 2K17. I think I'm at 88K now, 87 or 88K. Probably about 13,000 or 12,000 subs away from hitting 100K, and that's big. I started 2K17 with like 50K. So I gained them probably about 30K since the game dropped, so that's big. So what I'm gonna do for y'all, look, this ain't game breaking and no shit like this. If you can recall, whether you were subbed to my channel at the time or not, a lot of people watched the videos and I had a real small channel. But man, I always been a GOAT at creating custom jump shots on this game, bruh. So what I'm gonna start doing every week, probably every week, once a week, I'm gonna drop a video with a crazy jump shot combo. Now, what the clips that you seeing right now is actually a shot that I created the other night. I got hella shots created, you know what I'm saying, and like they be cash money, you know what I'm saying, they cash money even on Xbox. The clips right now from this Pro-Am game is on Xbox, and you know, everybody know the shot meter is still glitched on Xbox. We don't have the patch. You pay attention to my shot meter, it don't glitch one time during this shot, you know what I'm saying. This bitch is money. Like, if you leave me open with this shot, I'm confident that I can shoot with this shot with my playmaker or my sharpshooter. Any build I can shoot with this jump shot. My shot meter never glitch. At the end of this game, I'm gonna show y'all a clip with me playing on PlayStation with this same exact jump shot, and the shot meter not glitching. I'm getting green lights with my playmaker with this shot, you know what I'm saying. So if you've been struggling trying to find a jump shot, I got one for y'all, you know what I'm saying. This jump shot is cash fucking money. Like I said, I got hell. This is just one that I created the other night. I got jump shots on top of jump shots. So if this one don't work for y'all, just like the video, subscribe if you new, and then I will come with another jump shot for y'all, you know what I'm saying. Because like I said, I'll be bringing jump shots all year. So if you looking for jump shots, you need help with a jump shot, man, just hit me up. I got you. You feel me? So look, real fast, I'm gonna show y'all the combo on this jump shot right quick. I'm gonna show you how I made this jump shot, exactly how it's blended and everything. We ain't gonna hold nothing back. So look, check it out. So all this jump shot is right, and when I'm creating jump shots, I always use the same base. You know what I'm saying? I always use the same base. This jump shot base 11. Now the reason why I use this base, probably on 2K14, I think it was 2K14, with Jeremy Lamb. He played for the Thunder on that year. I didn't miss with Jeremy Lamb, and he had this pretty much the same base. The shot was pretty much straight up and down. He ain't had too much going on. So I always like jump shot base 11. You know what I'm saying? And then with the uppers, I always find it easier to shoot with the release point to be with a big man. I found like Tim Duncan, Michael Beasley, Kevin Durant got a pretty nice release for him. So what I did, I just mixed the Tim Duncan with the, you know what I'm saying, the little hype V Stephen Curry, right? So look, this is what I came up with. So we got lower, we got jump shot 11, upper, we got the Tim Duncan on. And then for the base, we're kind of not like the base. What it is, the release is kind of like your body form, right? And I kind of like the way that the Steph Curry release. It ain't the release, but it's the Curry form, right? So we got the Steph Curry, and this how I blended it: 41 Tim Duncan, 59 Steph Curry, speed all the way up. Now listen, I tested it on this speed right here, right? I'm not exactly sure what the exact speed is. I tested it on this speed and it glitched a lot because it's so slow. Now this is the thing, this is a quick jump shot. If you're a quick jump shot user, this shot is perfect for you. You know what I'm saying? This is perfect for you. Now if you like a slower release, a normal release, you probably could shoot with it on this speed without it glitching, but I shoot with it on this speed. Every clip in this video was me using this exact speed, right? So all you want to do is mix jump shot 11 for the base, release 1 Tim Duncan, release 2 Steph Curry. That's it, with a 41-59 split on the blend. You know what I'm saying? So you can pause the video, go back and look at me shooting with this shot, man. I'm using the same exact form on PlayStation right now with my playmaker, and you see me shooting. I got another gameplay. If y'all want me to drop that gameplay, I will. Well, I ran a walk-on game and I outshot a sharpshooter. I think I was like 15 for 21 with my playmaker. in the walk-on, out shooting the sharpshooter. You know what I'm saying? With this very same jump shot. But look, that's pretty much all I got for y'all, man. Like I said, leave a like on this video. I will be bringing y'all jump shot combos every week. You feel me? Like, I got this ain't even my main shot, bro, and you just seen how I shot with this shot. You know what I'm saying? So I will be bringing y'all some different ones from here and there. Every week I will drop another. I'm gonna get a schedule for the date that I'm gonna drop them, and then y'all niggas can just tune in if you just want to come through for a jump shot. That's pretty much all I got for y'all, man. You find this video helpful, you use the jump shot, leave a like, let me know down below in the description how it work out for you. And that's pretty much all I got for y'all, man. Grind hard checking the fuck up out this bitch. I shouldn't have said that. It is what it is.